Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok profile view not showing issue. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, first of all, go to Play Store, tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your TikTok app and go back. So guys, next, go to your mobile phone settings and open your mobile phone apps. Now tap on app search bar, search TikTok app. Now tap on TikTok. Now tap on storage, tap on clear cache and go back and scroll down. Now tap on permission and turn on all permission and go back. So guys, you need to open your TikTok app. Now click on profile icon and click on right corner three lines and click on setting and privacy and click on privacy and scroll down. Now click on profile view, turn on profile view history and go back. So guys, show your profile view option. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.